Hello everyone. Today I crafted an interactive YouTube channel analysis dashboard on Power BI using YouTube channel dataset which I downloaded from Kaggle. In this dashboard, the key insights include total subscribers, total views, YouTuber, country, category and channel using cards, and a filter to filter based on YouTuber, and a gauge to display highest monthly earnings and highest yearly earnings, and a scroller to display YouTuber by subscribers and views for last 30 days, top 5 population by country using clustered bar chart, and a card to display total population. Same clustered bar chart for top 5 category by upload, and a card to display total upload, and top 5 subscribed country using clustered column chart and clustered bar chart for yearly earnings by country, and a table to display YouTuber subscribers, country, uploads, video views, highest monthly earnings, highest yearly earnings. Now let us use our filter. Vector. Here you can see for Vector 123 Go Spanish, 1 million dance studios, non-thick and 50 cent. You can see in United States 656 million. Music, you can see YouTuber by subscribers and views for last 30 days. You can see subscribers is 12,400 multiple 0. Yearly earnings from United States is 49200K. And this is all about my dashboard. Thank you.